question number 4 of exercise 3.7. Here we are given, determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 8, 6, 8 and 12. You need smallest 3-digit number. That means you need to write down first the smallest 3-digit number, and that is 100. And now you have to find out a number which is exactly divisible by. Divisible by means जो divide हो सके, which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. जो 6 से भी divide हो जाए, 8 से भी हो जाए और 12 से भी हो जाए. Means 6, 8 और 12 उसको divide कर रहे हैं like this. 6 is dividing that number, 8 is dividing that number and 12 is dividing that number. That number you have to find out which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12 at this place. 6 is here. That means that number will be bigger number, so that it is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. That will be bigger than all these numbers. So आपको जो number चाहिए that is greater than 1, 2 and 3. तीनों number से बड़ा होना चाहिए 6, 8 and 12. And whenever you find LCM, you always have observed that LCM is always bigger than the given numbers. And whenever you find HCF, you must have observed that HCF is always smaller than or equal to those numbers. HCF के आंसर्स हमेशा नंबर से छोटे आएंगे या वो नंबर खुद आ जाएगा. और ऐसे ही LCM के जो आंसर्स आते हैं वो उस जो गिवन नंबर्स हैं या तो वो होंगे या उनसे बड़े होंगे. ठीक है, तो अभी आपको जो LCM चाहिए यहाँ पे, बिकॉज आप एक बिगर नंबर फाइंड करने जा रहे हैं. यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड सच अ नंबर विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 6, 8 and 12. 6, 8 and 12 are at this place, and you need to find out the number which is here. Divisors you are given, and you have to find the dividend. The dividend is always greater, so you are going to find out LCM of these numbers. Let us find out. And moreover, in this question, we will be finding LCM by division method. That means here we will be taking all the numbers together. 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are, 3 1s are, 4s are, 2s are, 2 2s are, 1s are, 2 1s are, 1s are, 1s are. So what is the LCM? 2 cross 3. You will be solving up to the number when you are getting 1 1 1 for each of the 3 numbers, and after that you will write all these numbers here and find the product. 2 3 2 2. 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So you have find out the LCM. One hint you have used, that you are using LCM here is smallest, and other is the hint that the number is divisible by, that means the number will be bigger, so you are finding here LCM. But you need to find the smallest 3-digit number. It should be a 3-digit number. So what we will be doing, we will divide this 100 with the LCM of these numbers. Let us divide. 4s are 96, 4. Now how I will reach such a number? Now there is one method, and that is the last step. This is your second step, third step. First step you will be finding LCM. Second step you will be taking the division of the smallest number with the LCM. In the third step you will write 100 here. Then you will add 24 and subtract the remainder. What do I get? 124 minus 4, that is 120. अभी आप 120 को डिवाइड करके देखना 6 के साथ, no remainder will be left. When you will divide with 8, no remainder will be left. And same way when you will divide by 12, you will get 10 as answer, no remainder will be left. So 120 is smallest number which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12 exactly, means with no remainder, and it is the smallest 3-digit number. Smallest with 3 digits. Same way, here is the 9th question. You are asked to find the smallest 4-digit number. It should be smallest 4 digits, so I have written 1000. Which is divisible by? Again the question is of divisible by. That means the number you are going to find is bigger than these 3 numbers. So I need to calculate LCM, and I have found out the LCM by division method. And I have got it 288 is the LCM for these numbers. So this is my first step. Now what is the second step? In the second step, I will be dividing 1000 with the LCM. LCM is 288. And when I will divide, this answer I get, and this is the remainder. Now what is the third step? Who remembers the third step? In the third step, we are going to write down 1000. We will be adding the LCM and we will be subtracting the remainder. We will add 1000, we will add the LCM and we will subtract the remainder from here. So when I add, I get 2, 8 minus 136. It will be 2, 5, 1, 1. This is your answer. You have to take care of these steps. For LCM questions, and you are given 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit numbers to find out. Divisible by means it is a case of LCM. First of all, you will find the LCM. Then you will divide LCM with the number that is given, 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit. Any number can be given here. Then you have to divide. Then in the last step, you have to write the smallest number. Then you have to add LCM and subtract the remainder.